contains retinoids that increase collagen production and stimulate new blood cells. Can help prevent sun damage by interrupting the process that breaks down collagen. Helps improve the skin's color and flexibility and texture. Can be used to help treat acne and its scars, psoriasis, fine lines, and wrinkles, and other skin issues. B1 contains thiamine, which can reduce redness and irritation, acne, and dry skin. It helps slow the signs of aging and the effects that menopause can have on the skin. It reduces free radicals and removes toxins that can cause the skin to age. Vitamin D is a protective barrier against sun damage, can help prevent collagen breakdown, reduce UV-induced inflammation that can cause skin damage, can help reduce the appearance of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. Vitamin E can help prevent collagen breakdown, helps the skin retain water, can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and scars, and can help reduce the formation of a sunburn and even soothe the sunburn. Vitamin K can help improve the elasticity of blood vessels and can help with under-eye puffiness, dark circles, and reduce pigmentation. It can help boost skin recovery and reduce inflammation. Aside from the wonderful vitamins that tallow contains, it is also low on the comedogenic scale, making it less likely to clog your pores. It is also structured much like human lipids, meaning that our skin is less likely to get irritated from using tallow to protect and moisturize our skin. Don't forget to click in the description below to get your free home apothecary checklist today to help you start building your own remedies or skincare products at home. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.